Hello, beautiful people. Today I am going to read the today's reading. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the Gentle Oracle. Today is 3rd of January 2026, and if you are watching this right now, this message is meant for you. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, but today. So take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, let your shoulders soften and allow your energy to settle. You have stepped into a new year, but your heart is still carrying the pieces of old one. Memories, emotions, unanswered questions, unfinished connections. And universe wants to speak to you about today. You have been feeling a strange mix of hope and heaviness. Part of you is excited for a fresh start, and another part of you feels tired, unsure, and emotionally drained. You have been trying to understand why feel you have been trying to understand why feel this way. Why are you not feeling in the new year yet? And the truth is, your soul is still integrating everything you went through. You are not behind, you are not stuck, you are healing. 2025 changed you, it stressed you, it challenged you, it awakened parts of you that you didn't even know existed. And now, in these early days of 2026, your energy is recalibrating. You are not meant to rush into this year. You are meant to enter it consciously, intuitively, with clarity that clarity is coming. There is something or someone that has been on your mind, a connection that feels unfinished, a person whose energy keeps returning to you even when you try to move forward, a bond that feels deeper than logic, deeper than timing, deeper than circumstances. This person has been thinking about you too, more intensely than before, more honestly than before, more vulnerably than before. They have been reflecting on their choices, their mistakes, their fears, and the way they handled things with you. They didn't forget you, they didn't replace you, they didn't stop caring. They have been carrying their own emotional weight, guilt, confusion, longing, regrets. And even if they haven't reached out yet, their soul is moving closer to yours. There is shift happening in this connection, a softening, a realization, a pull. And for some of you, this message is not meant about, and for some of you, this message is not about a person, it's about your path. You have been feeling a calling towards something new, a new direction, a new purpose, a new version of yourself. But stepping into that version requires letting go of the old one, and that's what has been hurting. Not the future, but the shedding of the past. You are not losing yourself, you are meeting yourself. You are not breaking down, you are breaking open. You are not feeling apart, you are falling into alignment. The universe wants you to know that the delay you experienced last year were not rejections, they were protection, they were preparation, they were divine timing. You were not ready before, not because you lacked anything, but because path ahead requires a stronger, clearer, and more awakened version of yourself. And that version is emerging now. You are stepping into a chapter where your intuition becomes louder, your boundaries become stronger, your relationship become clearer, your purpose becomes brighter, your blessings become closer. You are not meant to change anymore. You are meant to attract, you are meant to receive, you are meant to rise. And right now, your energy is rising, your heart is healing, your clarity is returning, your hope is opening. You may have noticed sign, repeated numbers, dreams that feel too real, sudden thoughts of someone you haven't spoken to in a while, or moments where your intuition feels louder than usual. These are not coincidences, they are confirmations. The universe is speaking to you, your guides are speaking to you, your higher self is speaking to you. And the message is simple: you are safe, you are guided, you are protected, and you are moving in the right direction. Take a moment right now, place your hand on your heart and breathe. You have survived storms that were meant to break you. You have healed wounds that no one knew you carried. You have grown in silence, in darkness, in moments where you felt completely alone. And now your light is returning, your alignment is returning. 2026 is not here to repeat your past. It's here to reward your growth. It's here to bring you what you have been preparing for. It's here to align you with what is meant for you. So trust yourself, trust your path, trust the timing, trust the unfoldings. You are not behind, you are not forgotten, you are exactly where you need to be. Thank you for being here. If this message reaches you, trust that it was meant for you. And if you feel called to deeper healing, guidance, or ritual work, you can find everything in the description below the video. I will see you in the next message. Thank you.